Are we going to have nasi lemak?
No, no, no.
Are we going to have kway teow?
No, no.
Are we going to have chichong fan?
No, no.
Are we going to have nasi kandar?
No, no.
What are we going to have? Is that a Vauxhall? Is that an Opel? No, it's a Proton. So this is what I have on test today. Wow, I actually seen a couple of these on the road and you can't actually see it in its true glory and splendor because it's kind of dark right now. We will take it into the light, but wow. Mo, what do you think? It's beautiful. It has a sunroof. For the first time in a long time, a Malaysian car has a sunroof. It has a rear deck spoiler, 17-inch wheels, Goodyear tires, ventilated brakes in the front. It's nice how you can see our local cars actually making stuff like this that actually makes the Europeans say, not bad. Mo, I am drawn to this car really. Let's get in and see what's up. Wow, that's a solid thump. Feels good. Belts on. Wow. I didn't expect the interior to be so futuristic.
Yep.
It's simplistic like the future. You know how in the 90s you got buttons all over the place and then now you have 7. Is the handbrake up? Oh yeah, it is up. It's auto hold as well. I didn't know you had that.
Wait, the button after the P, the A is one.
Auto hold.
Auto hold?
Yes, auto hold. So that means if you're on D and then you press the brake hard enough, that will engage, lock the brakes, and the next time it's green, just get on the power and you set off. We're in darkness now, give us a while. We will head on to civilization. Wow, it's a 3D display. Okay, let's try the left. Oh, you have it on the left side as well. Nice. Wow, that actually gives you a lot of room in the car to know where your car is at all times. So not too close to a pavement, divider, a person, a trolley, a cart, or another car. It's taking the bumps quite well. Really, it is taking the bumps quite well. It's actually surprising me to an extent.
This S70, just like every other Proton, comes with a McPherson strut, isn't it?
Yes.
What's the advantage of McPherson strut?
Better car control, less body roll, and you can actually change the dynamics of the car midway through a corner with the McPherson strut system. So basically what it's doing is giving you a better driving experience all around. Simply put, it makes the car ride, handle and feel a lot livelier and how it should feel in something that's costing 76,000 ringgit as an entry level, isn't it? I do love the point of cornering, meaning it is so precise that if I put it to the left, it's going to go to the left. This car has 150 horsepower. I don't want to read the entire brochure, but 150 horsepower and how many Newton meters of torque?
I think 226, is it?
Yes, about that, 226 roughly. That is a lot more. So we're gonna start merging here. Well, it's interrupting my lane departure. So it has that lane departure cruise thing. What is that called? ADAS. Let me see again. Oh, okay. It has radar guided cruise control.
Oh, so now it's on. It's activated, but it's not full.
It's on. It's on, but it's not active. So meaning it's just vigilant. It's just standby.
Correct. So it means that even in cruise control mode, when you get close to a car and you're not realizing it, it beeps.
Yes. Yeah. Exactly.
Can you try again?
Yes. With pleasure. Oh, it engaged the brakes.
Ooh.
It intervened with my driving, sir. This car's direct competitor in the market would be the Vios. If Honda, it is the City. So I've driven the City, I've driven the Vios.
The new one?
Yeah, they're both very good cars. Very, very good cars. Okay. But the thing is, you have to take into consideration that those two companies have been around for an accumulated rough 200 years, give or take. This company, Proton, our beloved Proton, from our home soil, is only roughly about 40 years. So, given that it's 40 years old only compared to the behemoth 200 years accumulative from Honda and Toyota, I'm quite speechless.
Yeah, it's very quiet, isn't it?
It's very quiet, it's very composed. I feel like I'm probably driving a slightly older Jetta. You know, just listen to that signal. Just let me put the mic here. Just listen to that signal. How crisp does that sound? How perfect does that sound? My foot position has not changed, and the speed keeps climbing every 2 seconds by kilometer. So just now we were doing 75, by 5 seconds we were doing 85, 86 roughly. Same throttle input, as far as I can tether the throttle as lightly as possible and as consistently as possible, the speed kept increasing. Alright, so we just got our apple strudel, right?
Yeah, Apple Strudel.
Oh, lovely. So let's go enjoy it and admire this beautiful car. So this is what you see if you are sitting in the driver's seat of your Proton S70. Steering wheel feels good. The grip is nice. In case you're wondering, the grip is very important when you're in any car you're driving, because it actually gives you the confidence to turn, to maneuver, to get out of a hefty situation which you need grip and confidence.
So now I'm sitting at the back. I'm 180 cm and there's still that much height. See, now I got a lot of legroom. And I believe that is a... it's a phone slot.
Yeah, so the rear passengers actually can be free from having their phone fling all over the place while driving.
Look at that. So convenient.
Look at this diamond stitching here on the armrest. You don't get this in any other car. Look at that. You know, diamond stitches. That's pretty. And you got black, what was that, gloss? Yeah, black gloss trim, accompanied with white stitching. You see, you can put these all in the car, but knowing where to put them, that is the big thing. That's where it can make or break an interior. So perfectly done, lovely execution. So right now we have the map on where we are. We have the vehicle status. Oh, okay, we got vehicle information. This is practically a big phone. Wow. No, we can actually change the color of the car. How nice is that? So this car we're driving right now is white. So let's keep it on white, keep it literal, keep it real. What's cockpit? Oh, yeah, we have wireless charging, yes. Yeah, we got wireless charging here, and we got key fob charging. Yeah, that's key fob charging. As you can see, my water bottle to keep me nourished and hydrated is here. It's good, it's still, it's tight, and it's not circular. Have a look at this. It's not circular, it's some hexagonal type of shape that's symmetrically been designed to accept a bottle. How cool is that? Wow, we have tire pressures.
Where?
There. 31.2 psi and 30.2 at the rear left and 31 at the rear right. So the front is consistent because it has the engine in front and the weight does not change. But the rear, because Tan Sri, what are you called today? Datuk Sri. Datuk Sri is sitting at the back. So that's why the rear is acting up. Yes, that goes to show you in real life the data that people sitting at the back can affect the tire pressure. Nice place to be.
It is, it is. Look.
Really nice place to be. It's quiet. So far, a lot of bikes have passed by, a lot of loud cars, loud exhaust cars have passed by, and I did not get distraught or stressed out at all from any of those noises because I almost couldn't hear it.
Describe this car in one word.
One word.
2 words max.
2 words, okay. Local opulence.
Local opulence.
Alright, so we are here after test driving the car with our lovely Apple Strudel. And of course, Senior Darshan. He is one of the top guys in Proton. What's your branch again?
Bandar Klang, Proton.
Bandar Klang, Proton. So if you need a Proton, see him. So we need a Proton. We saw him. He got us this lovely car for a test drive and for us to review it and tell you guys how it actually feels. Can you tell me why this car is selling a lot more than the predecessor? It's selling a lot more, like Cinnabon in the morning selling out.
Yes.
Why?
Because it has everything a basic person needs in this current market.
Okay.
You know, for buyers, we have from younger people to older people also, because it depends on what they need the car for. So for a younger person, they would need it for the performance part of it,
the power side of it, right?
Yes, and for the older people, they would need it for the comfort.
I'm the car buyer today. Convince me why should I buy Proton S70 in that price compared to other car.
Okay.
Just one thing.
Yes.
First is the price. It is cheaper than the competitors. And it has more than the competitors.
Yeah.
The boot space is big.
Yeah.
Design is better. The tech is better. So I don't think you need anything else.
Yeah.
Looking for a new car.
I don't think there's anything lacking.
Yes.
Do you?
What about like the after sales? What do I get?
We have 5 years warranty, unlimited mileage for the gearbox and also the engine and also the other parts. And you get 6 times free labor for the service. Yes,
okay.
6 times.
So does that, because you see, 6 times does not exactly equate to 5 years warranty or 100,000.
Yes,
6
obviously.
times can equate to 40,000.
The first 6 services.
Only for 6
Yes,
services,
for
regardless
6.
of mileage.
Yes.
Okay, that's good to know.
How's the maintenance cost? Of course, labor is free.
Yeah.
What about like engine oil change,
Brake pads?
brake pad?
Brake
Is it
discs?
like affordable? Like how is it?
Or is it covered
affordable.
by warranty?
It's
Voila.
not obviously for the brake pads. Okay, the first service would be 200 plus.
Ringgit?
Yes.
For
The first one you
car?
pay for?
Yeah.
That means number 7.
Yeah, because the labor is deducted already.
Ah,
You pay only for the parts.
okay.
And you could also refer Proton's website for the breakdown of the parts that will be changed.
How about the finance?
The finance, we have panels for Maybank, Hong Leong Bank, Public Bank, Proton Commerce, and also the other banks. Any bank you prefer. The salary range around
A ballpark, if you will.
Okay.
Ballpark.
2.5 and above.
Okay, fair enough. Fair
Yeah,
enough.
2.5 and above. For you to be comfortable with your monthly expenses
Yeah.
after buying the car.
And exactly, if you can get what, if your salary is 2.5 and above, right? as you
Yes.
said, you could be sitting in a lap of luxury. Should I just buy a Proton and make it, drive it, and enjoy it?
Exactly. That I think now the market wants more of a car that no need to think about the cost.
Yes.
Because before this, right, like we talked about 5-7 years ago, you would buy a second-hand German
Yes.
because you want to feel luxury driving it.
Yes,
You want
I'd
that
still buy
feeling.
one.
But with this car now in the market, brand new,
Yeah. It makes you think.
it makes me think like I don't need to buy a second-hand German.
Yeah. You
I
can buy
can-
a brand new.
I can buy a brand new Malaysian car with a German feeling
Yes.
at a
Yes.
very low maintenance
Yes.
cost.
He is not overstating it or understating it. He's 100% right, because when I drove it, it legitimately felt like a 5-year-old German, a 3-year-old if you will. Smooth, refined, noise was quiet. The decibel meter in the car could not read. It was that quiet. So he's right. It's actually so close to the European standards of things that the Malaysian people are getting a bargain for 76
76 is for the lowest
entry level, right?
entry level.
Yes.
This
Yes.
feels fulfilled.
Yes, I completely agree.
I felt fulfilled sitting at the back
Yeah.
and front as just the passenger.
It felt refined, it felt quiet. It felt like, as I said, it felt like I was going to head off to a golf game in the afternoon.
And I felt I can go like non-stop from KL to
Ipoh.
to Thailand.
Yeah.
as far as Thailand and beyond, comfortably at the back.
Yeah.
I can fold my leg, I can just be comfortable.
You
Like
can do full yoga in the back, and you will
even-
not touch the seat in front.
even the seat is not like that. It's
Yes,
like that.
it's slanted.
It's
so
slanted a bit.
so it doesn't make you feel like you're sitting in a hospital bench, waiting for your turn.
What about the boot space? We have 500 liters of boot
Oh,
space.
Yes.
we're gonna find out later when we fill it, when we put back our 3.2 million studio. Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. All right.
Okay guys, for those who are looking for a new car, this month, next month, anywhere, you can WhatsApp me or call me at the number shown below.
All right, that's it for Rafcard, isn't it?
Are we sure that's it?
Well, for this episode,
Oh, yeah, one more thing. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. Last video we did got so many more views. We're so happy. Thank you guys.
thank you.
So please keep watching. It powers us to do more every week, every day, and we're gonna have more challenges ahead. And we don't have to forget that Porsche is coming back. Until next time. See you soon. Slowly. Don't scratch my car.